just easy. Just give it a few seconds. Yeah, it's working. Hello, welcome back to Sedo Kingdom, and in this video I will show you how to charge your smartwatch without the original charger. Okay, I have the original charger, but it's not working. It's faulty. It looks like the original. This is the original charger. So for this demonstration, you will need, of course, your smartwatch and an old USB cable or a data cable that you no longer use. At the back, there are two terminals. So to know which one is positive and negative, there are two ways. The first way is using a multimeter, and the second way is using this old USB cable. So let's start with the first way, using the multimeter. So you need to take it to the voltage to measure the voltage, and then just hold the two probes on the two terminals. If you see a negative here, it means that you're holding it in an opposite way. So interchange them. There's no that negative sign on the multimeter. So this side is positive and this side is negative. So the second way is using the old USB cable. Just cut the end off, and you have this. So when you split this open, you'll get two wires. So let's split it open. There's two wires. The first is, it looks like red. This is the positive one, and this is the negative one. I have slit them open. So you need to make them slightly shorter to hold the terminals on your smartwatch. Simple, like this. Yeah, just like that. So it will be like this. So on the multimeter we saw that it shows that the left side is the positive and the right side is the negative. So in case you don't have the multimeter, just connect those wires to the terminals, and if it doesn't work, just interchange them, it will work. So let's try connecting them opposite, and let's see what will happen. So in this case, I will be using my power bank. This is my power bank. So let's connect like opposite, this side and this side. See, it's not working. So let's connect it the other way. Positive, negative. Yeah, it's working. It has So it's charging. So let me switch off the watch first. But if you connect it the right way, it will work. So let me remove the straps first. Connect it. Let's just try the positive and negative. Let's see. See, it's charging. So I will use just take any tip. So I will use this transparent so to see clearly the terminals and where I've connected. So everything is done. I've secured the terminals with my tip, and let's try if it works. In this demonstration I will use a power bank. Just easy. Just give it a few seconds. Yeah, it's working. See, it's charging. Yeah, you can leave it up to 100%, or you can just boost it. You can just boost it and get a new charger. If you haven't subscribed to Sedo Kingdom, please consider subscribing to Sedo Kingdom, and thanks for watching this video.